Anong mensahe po kaya sa tingin niyo would it send if the Senate remains preoccupied po with internal leadership issues while an impeachment trial is pending?
Magagalit ang mga tao. Yun ang klaro. Because the survey already shows the super majority of the Filipino people who are waiting for this trial, no? From my last recollection, 74% ng mga Pilipino ang gustong-gustong matuloy na itong impeachment trial na ito. And remember, the allegations in the present articles of impeachment are the same allegation in the articles of impeachment back in the 19th Congress. Ibig sabihin, we are dealing with the same questions on threat, confidential fund, bribery, and unexplained wealth. Which means, simula 19th Congress hanggang sa oras na ito, wala pa pong naririnig na kasagutan ang sambayanang Pilipino. So to your question, kung anong magiging consequence, anong reaction ng mga tao, certainly from my end, magagalit ang mga Pilipino if we keep on delaying this impeachment trial.